Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with one A4 sheet and the tools in hand. That means a cutting mat, ruler, pencil, and a sharp blade. First, mark a 10 mm margin all around to keep content safe, then draw the exact center fold line for alignment. Once done, score the fold gently with the back of the blade to avoid tearing. Make the initial straight cut along the crop line. This gives you clean edges and a solid base for layout and assembly. You now design and align graphics directly on the prepared sheet. Keep a 5 mm bleed so colors reach the edge after trimming. Once artwork is placed, fold along the scored line and test fit pieces before any adhesive. Apply PVA or double-sided tape to the tabs, press firmly, and hold for 10-20 seconds to set. Make sure seams meet accurately. If a corner gaps, add a thin 3 mm reinforcement. You finish by trimming any overhang with a metal ruler and steady, single-pass cuts to avoid jagged edges. Then, consider rounding corners with a 3 to 5 mm punch for a professional look, and inspect seams for glue squeeze-out. If the card warps, place it between clean boards and weight it down for 12 to 24 hours. Moisture and quick drying often cause deformity. If alignment is off, carefully rescore and reglue the offending seam. Precision here fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.